All right, so here we go. In the beginning, this is You're All I Need to Get By. And we start on A. You're all B major over A to get by. I really like having this voicing right here. Right, so we have that. On the transition here, we went. That's a really important part right there. Is A, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, B minor A, B, 2, 3, 4, B, 2, 3, 4. Don't be afraid to really build that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're into the pre-chorus. The first one, that is. F in the bass to get by. Right, we're back to this same thing, and we'll loop this in one more time. Okay, after we're done with that verse, we do literally the same thing. Really the most complex part of the whole song, this like kind of pre-chorus too, if you want to call it. That was the first lick, so we're on the second line of tag there. Over E, and then we do this again. Right, the second lick is. Okay, and then it goes right into a B dominant 9. And this is so great because we can just keep this C sharp or D flat up on the top. To get by. And then we take it all the way home. So I just want to play that one more time, right on here for the A over E. And take it on the way home, repeat that as necessary.